Alright, today I'm changing some brakes pads on this Supra. These pads right here, it's easy. You gotta pull the pins out of these holes. After you pull the pin out, you have to separate, somehow get this separated from the piston because it's taped and glued on. They have like a double-sided tape to get it stuck on from factory, which you can see right here. The new one has tape on it, so when you put it back, it's gonna get stuck on there. So when you're having problems pulling it out, it's because it's got glue on it. So the glue makes it stuck, so you have to pry it out. And the left side has the sensor, so you have to pull this tape off, put it back, and then you got to take this and this, push it back together, put it back together. See how I'm doing? Make sure it's in. See how it's flat. Alright, be able to slide this one in. See, peel the back. The back has tape. Put it in. Alright, best as you can when it lines up with the hole. Let's get this side. You gotta push them back together. Probably not a good way to do it, but there's a special tool if you want. But this works though. Okay. Alright. Now that's there. You get this clip, you put it in there. Put it in there. And it sits right there. And then you want to get this pin, stick it in here. Supposed to be the bottom one. Okay, get that in there. Make sure it goes in the bottom in between this thing. Push it through. Now the top one. Make sure it goes into the pads. And then you gotta push this back. Push this in. Might have to push this up some. Okay. Okay, and then we'll push this back. Push this in. Alright. Now, get a hammer. Push it through. Push it through. And that's it. Alright, for the rear, all we gotta do is, it's a 14. Alright. It broke, but we got a new one, so it's fine. Okay. Slide it out. This should be able to turn back. Put that right here. You're supposed to turn it and put pressure, and then you gotta put pressure on it. Alright. Alright, gotta put pressure. Alright. To push the piston back, it's just this, just turning it. Just keep turning it until it stops. So now it's maxed out, so I can't even turn anymore. Alright, and there it goes to the back. Alright, just disconnect it. Okay, sure that's in. And back. Alright. And just put this on. The other one goes in the bottom right here. Just run it around here. Alright, got the sensors in. See how it goes? It routes down in there, and there, and there, and there, and there. So that's it. And tighten down the 15s. Sensor goes in the right side, and that's it. Put the wheel back on. loose. Okay. Get that loose. This side should be easier because no sensor. Should be quicker. Alright. Same thing. Just take these pads out. Change these clips. Change these clips. That's it for the brakes for the rear. That's it. Clean all this.